Picture this: you wake up early, sunlight streaming in, and instead of hitting snooze, you feel energized and ready to take on the day. Your space is tidy, your mind feels calm, and every step you take lines up with the life you actually want. You're not just motivated for the moment, you're genuinely consistent, showing up for yourself every day. If you're ready to become that version of yourself, the one who doesn't just set goals but actually follows through, this video is for you. Let's dive into how to enter your discipline girl era and build real consistency that sticks. Stepping into a discipline girl era is about more than just following a strict routine or adopting a few good habits. It's a powerful shift towards accountability, balance, and a commitment to self-improvement. This era isn't about perfection, it's about progress and taking intentional steps to cultivate discipline in a way that feels empowering, not restrictive. This mindset isn't about rigidly forcing yourself into productivity but about choosing consistency and aligning with your goals. Here's a roadmap to help you enter your discipline girl era and truly build consistency in a way that sticks. 1. Define your why. Every transformation begins with a purpose. Before you embark on your discipline journey, identify why you want to embrace consistency. Is it to build a better version of yourself, develop a new skill, or achieve a long-term goal? Your why acts as a guiding force that you can return to when motivation wanes. Write it down and keep it visible. When you can remind yourself why you want this, it will be easier to stay committed when challenges arise. Take time to reflect and write out your why clearly and specifically. Visualize what the discipline girl era means for you personally. How does she show up in the world? How does she respond to challenges? Revisit your why regularly to reinforce your commitment. 2. Set small, achievable goals. While it's tempting to dive headfirst into ambitious goals, starting small is the key to creating lasting discipline. Small, achievable goals build confidence, provide a sense of accomplishment, and help set a strong foundation for larger goals down the line. If your ultimate goal is to become more active, start by committing to a 10-minute workout each day. As you consistently meet your smaller goals, you'll build the momentum and confidence to tackle bigger challenges. Identify 2 to 3 small goals that align with your larger vision. Track your progress daily to see how small steps add up over time. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. This reinforces your commitment to consistency. 3. Build habits, not just tasks. In the discipline girl era, focus on forming habits instead of checking off tasks. While tasks are often one-off actions, habits are behaviors that become part of your routine. Building consistent habits, such as journaling, exercising, or meditating, creates a structure that supports your goals and strengthens your self-discipline. Identify specific actions that you can repeat daily, even if only for a few minutes, to establish a routine that eventually becomes second nature. Pick one habit to focus on at a time. For example, if you want to journal daily, start with 5 minutes each morning. Set reminders or use habit tracking apps to help you stay on track. Be patient. Research shows that forming a new habit can take 21 days or more. Allow yourself time to adapt and celebrate the journey. 4. Embrace the power of routines. Routines are like the backbone of consistency. When you have a structured routine, it's easier to maintain focus and avoid distractions. Routines also help to reduce decision fatigue, making it easier to stay disciplined over time. Whether it's a morning routine, an evening wind down, or even a weekly planning session, having a set structure allows you to be intentional about how you spend your time. Create a simple morning and evening routine that aligns with your goals. Include activities that support your mind, body, and soul, like reading, meditation, or movement. Experiment and adjust as needed. Routines should support you, not restrict you, so adapt them based on your needs. 5. Prioritize consistency over perfection. A key element of discipline is accepting that perfection is not the goal. Often, people give up on their goals because they can't follow through perfectly. But true discipline lies in resilience, not perfection. You're allowed to have off days as long as you're committed to getting back on track. Shift your mindset from all or nothing to showing up, no matter what. This approach builds consistency and makes the journey more sustainable. Reframe setbacks as learning opportunities rather than failures. Practice showing up even when you're not motivated. A quick 5-minute check-in can help you stay aligned without feeling overwhelmed. Reflect on your progress at the end of each week, celebrating the small steps taken, rather than dwelling on any misses. 6. Cultivate self-compassion. Entering your discipline girl era doesn't mean punishing yourself for mistakes. In fact, self-compassion plays a huge role in staying consistent. When you're hard on yourself, it's easy to become discouraged and give up. But when you practice self-compassion, you're more likely to bounce back from setbacks and keep going. Being kind to yourself reinforces resilience, a key component of discipline. When things don't go as planned, acknowledge your feelings and give yourself grace. Create positive affirmations that remind you to be patient with your growth. Treat discipline as a practice, not a pass or fail test. 7. Find accountability. Accountability can be a powerful motivator for maintaining consistency. Whether it's a friend, family member, or coach, having someone who checks in on your progress can help you stay on track. Sharing your goals with others makes them feel more real, and being part of a community with similar objectives can boost your motivation. Even if you're self-driven, accountability offers a valuable external reminder to stay consistent. Find a friend or join a group with similar goals. Schedule regular check-ins to share your progress and challenges. Set up a reward system with your accountability partner to celebrate milestones. Use social media to share updates or insights. Public accountability can serve as a motivating force. 8. Focus on mindset shifts. The foundation of any lasting change lies in mindset. Embracing discipline requires a shift in how you view hard work, commitment, and persistence. Instead of seeing discipline as a chore, think of it as a privilege, an opportunity to shape your life and grow stronger. Building a disciplined mindset also involves rethinking how you handle discomfort and challenging yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Journal about any negative beliefs you have around discipline and address them. Practice a growth mindset, where you see challenges as opportunities for improvement rather than threats. Use visualization techniques to imagine yourself as the disciplined version of yourself, making choices that align with your goals. 9. Create systems that support your discipline. Your environment plays a crucial role in maintaining discipline. Systems make it easier to stay consistent because they minimize resistance and set you up for success. This could mean meal prepping to support your health goals, organizing your workspace to enhance productivity, or setting up a designated time each day for exercise. Systems create a framework that simplifies consistency. Identify any friction points in your daily routine that make discipline harder, e.g., cluttered spaces, lack of supplies. Set up small systems to remove these obstacles. For example, prepare a gym bag the night before if you struggle with morning workouts. Regularly assess and adjust these systems to ensure they continue to serve you. 10. Practice gratitude for progress. In the journey to become a more disciplined person, it's easy to focus on what's left to achieve. But celebrating your progress is a powerful tool for building consistency. Practicing gratitude for how far you've come reinforces the positive aspects of your journey, making it easier to stay motivated. Acknowledging and celebrating progress, no matter how small, cultivates a positive relationship with discipline. End each day by jotting down at least one thing you did well or one step you took toward your goal. Reflect on your journey regularly and acknowledge your growth. Express gratitude for the discipline you've developed and the benefits it brings to your life. 11. Be willing to adjust and iterate. Building discipline is not a one-size-fits-all journey. What works now may need to change as you evolve. Being disciplined also means being flexible and willing to adjust your routines, goals, and systems as you grow. Adapting to your needs keeps you aligned with your goals and prevents burnout. Regularly evaluate your goals, routines, and systems to ensure they still serve you. Make adjustments based on what feels sustainable and supportive, rather than forcing a specific path. Trust the process and remember that discipline is a lifelong journey. Entering your discipline girl era means stepping into a season of empowerment, consistency, and self-growth. It's not about being rigid or flawless, it's about showing up for yourself day after day, making small choices that align with your larger vision, and building resilience in the face of challenges. Remember, the journey to consistency is a marathon, not a sprint. Cultivate discipline with patience, kindness, and a deep commitment to yourself, and watch as your goals transform from dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.